What if I told you that there's a way to earn up to $125 per sale by promoting something that every online business already needs without showing your face, creating a product, or even handling customer support? In today's video, I'm going to reveal one of the most underrated affiliate programs that's helping creators, freelancers, and even complete beginners earn serious money online. It's called the Cloudways Affiliate Program. Why Cloudways? Simple. Cloudways isn't just another hosting company. It's a premium managed cloud hosting platform trusted by businesses worldwide. And their affiliate program, it's one of the most generous and flexible I've come across. They offer 3 commission models, including a hybrid option that gives you recurring income for life. Unlike most affiliate programs that pay you only once, Cloudways allows you to earn again and again. And here's the best part: you don't need a huge audience. With just a few well-placed blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media promotions, people are making hundreds to even thousands of dollars per month from this single program. Stick with me, because I'm not just going to explain how it works, I'll also show you 3 simple ways to start promoting it today and potentially earn your first commission this week. So grab a pen, because this might be the most profitable affiliate opportunity that no one's talking about. Let's dive in. I'll walk you through everything from main features to payout structure, sub-ID tracking, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether the Cloudways affiliate program is worth your time. Key features for affiliates. Cloudways stands out in affiliate marketing for several reasons. 1. Low churn rate of just 3%, meaning customers rarely leave, providing more consistent commissions. 2.95% customer satisfaction with affiliate support. 3. Top affiliates have earned over $800,000, proving the program's earning potential. How much can you earn? Cloudways offers up to $125 per sale based on a slab-based commission structure, which I'll explain shortly. What makes it even better is that they also offer lifetime commissions, allowing you to build passive income streams from your referrals. Flexibility and long cookie duration. One of the standout aspects is the flexibility of the program. You can earn at your own pace, and the commission structures are customizable to reward your efforts. Also, you get a 90-day cookie window, far more generous than the standard 30 days, giving you more time to get credit for your referrals.